Trial Cage Guide for Kingshot. First, know what each zone actually tests. There are 6 zones, and most only use a specific part of your account. The Colosseum uses heroes and hero gear, Forests of Life uses pets, Crystal Cave uses Governor Charms, Knowledge Nexus uses Academy and War Academy tech, Molten Fort uses Governor gear, and Radiant Sprite uses everything. The zones rotate during the week, so don't treat them all like the same battle. Second, use the right shroom formation. These are the good starting ratios. These are starting points, not guaranteed winning formations. Enemy compositions can vary by stage, so adjust when you're stuck. Third, push the stage 10. Stage 10 is the important milestone. Clearing stage 1 to 10 unlocks raid, allowing you to collect rewards from previously cleared stages without replaying the whole thing. So don't just chase the highest stage you can barely beat. Getting stage 10 cleared in every zone is a major priority. Step 4. Don't panic after one loss. Your attempts refresh daily, and attempts are consumed when you lose, while a successful challenge advances you. If you're stuck, change the formation or examine which part of your account the current zone is testing instead of blindly throwing attempts at it. Step 5. Spend the trial crystals intelligently. The trial shop gives you valuable progression materials. A current guide's priority is Mithril, Development TP components, Mythic General Hero Shards, Lucky Hero Gear Chest, True Gold Dust, and Permanent Decorations. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.